Hi and welcome to TechCornerTV. I'm Irene and I'm here to talk about the Mijia's facial cleansing device. Xiaomi had already launched a facial cleanser with in-face to compete with the famous and very expensive Foreo. But in the meanwhile, it launched this one in its own brand, or to be more precise, its sub-brand. Are you familiar with facial cleansers? The main goal of using them is to remove fat and dirt from the skin at a deeper level, reducing pore blockage and making the skin able to absorb better moisturizing products. So, let's see how this one is. Let's see what's in this box. And we have here a very nice blue box with the instructions in Chinese. So, let's see what is inside. Here is the brush. This is the blue one, and the brushes are available in blue and pink. I chose blue because I really like blue. So, then we have here the instruction manual. It is also in Chinese, as you can see. And we also have here a Type-C USB cable to charge the device. Let's open to see. Here it is. Okay, now here is the brush. It is in a carrying case, which seems to be very resistant, and it's very handy when we go on a trip. It also protects the brush from accumulating dust between the bristles. The brush has a very smooth touch. It is made from antibacterial silicone and the bristles are really soft. It has about 1915 bristles moved by 3D multidirectional suspension vibration. At the back we have the on and off switch and the speed indicators. This is gear 1 for sensitive modes, gear 2 normal mode to daily use, and gear 3 the care mode to a deeper cleaning. We also have the battery indicator to know when to charge it. Now let's stop it. Right? Sorry. Here we have this cap. Under this cap we have the USB Type-C socket for charging. As you can see, it's a waterproof cap to make this device water resistant. The battery is 400 mAh, which gives an autonomy for about 264 uses. This, of course, if you use only the first gear. As we can see, the brush has 3 types of bristles with different functions. Cleaning in detail is suitable for the most sensitive area of the nose and the mouth. Deep cleansing is suitable for the T-zone of the face, the forehead and the nose. And the standard cleaning is suitable for the U-zone of the face, the cheeks and the chin. It is really easy to use and it fits quite well in the hand, as we can see. It measures 75 mm of diameter by 45 mm of height. One really positive point, it is waterproof, which allows us to clean our face in the shower or bath. Another interesting feature is that it has a system that allows it to switch off automatically after 2 minutes, to avoid too much friction on the skin. In addition, every 20 seconds reminds us to change the area of the face. However, like everything in life, the usage of these devices has some advantages but also some disadvantages. The benefits. It performs an intense exfoliation without damaging the skin. It improves skin circulation and removes dead cells. The disadvantages. It may dry out our skin, and in more sensitive skins it can generate inflammations. So, if you have sensitive skin, or if you, like me, don't wear makeup, it won't be an everyday device. I think it makes sense 2 or 3 times a week to ensure a deep cleansing of your skin. However, if you do wear makeup, it's a great complement to your cleaning daily routine and you should use it every day. And how should we use it? First step, wet the face with cold or warm running water. Second step, use the facial soap directly on the brush or apply on the face, as you prefer. Third step, apply the brush to the skin, making circular movements so as not to damage the face. Fourth step, afterwards, rinse your face with cold or warm water. Fifth step, clean the brush well with a neutral soap to avoid accumulating bacteria. After some uses, I can tell you that this brush will be part of my skin cleaning routine. Since I use it, I notice my skin much softer. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe the channel and hit that bell to be notified every time that is a new video here at TechCornerTV. See you in the next video. Bye bye!